Setting the upper and lower limits on the TBS wired motor. After pairing the motor to the remote and the roll direction is correct, you'll need to set the upper limit first. Hold up for continuous travel or tap up for incremental travel. Hold up and stop simultaneously on the remote until you get a response. The upper limit is now set. Hold down for continuous travel or tap down for incremental travel. Hold down and stop simultaneously on the remote until you get a response. Both limits are now set. If there is no response after holding two buttons simultaneously, your remote is locked. Search our channel for TBS Remote Unlock. To delete all limits, search our channel for TBS Delete All Limits.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.